Imagine waking up and seeing $237 in your PayPal, all made while you were sleeping. Sounds fake? It's not. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set that up using free AI tools. Let's go! Welcome to aiincome-lab, where I turn AI tools into daily income strategies with zero investment. If you've got just 1 hour a day and Wi-Fi, this one's for you. Step 1. Find a digital product. Goal: create a passive product once, earn forever. Go to ChatGPT, free version works. Prompt it. Generate 10 ideas for digital products I can sell online that require no upfront cost and can be made with free tools. You'll get ideas like printable planners, ebooks, digital affirmation cards, resume templates. Pick one that excites you and is easy to create. Let's say, affirmation cards. Step 2. Create the product with free. I use Canva. Free account. Search affirmation card, choose a template. Customize with your own design. Need text? Use ChatGPT again. Give me 30 motivational affirmations for confidence. Paste those into Canva, export as PDF or JPG. Boom. Product done in 30 minutes. Step 3. Set up your free store. Go to payhip.com, 100% free. Upload your product. Set price between $5 to $15. Get a link to your digital store. Payhip handles payments, delivery, everything. You don't need a website. It's all automated. Step 4. Automate sales with ABEI and SEO goal. Let people find your product while you sleep. Use ChatGPT. Write an SEO-optimized Pinterest post for digital affirmation cards. Then use Canva to create Pinterest pins. Post them daily. Pinterest will get you passive traffic machine. Your pins stay visible for months. Each sale, pure profit. You do nothing after the upload. Benefits: no upfront cost, no tech skills required. Works while you sleep, can scale with more products later. You created value once, and you get paid over and over again. If you made it this far, you're clearly serious about building passive income with AI. So hit subscribe for weekly tutorials, tools, and strategies like this, all with zero investment. And drop a income in the comments if you're ready to launch your first AI-powered side hustle. This is AI Income Lab, helping you earn smarter, not harder. See you in the next one.